So, hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rohan and I'm a proud tea creator. Today, friends, I am telling you how to order in Forever Link Products International the marvelous products of Forever. So, if you want to buy or give to someone the Forever products, you can directly go to the browser and do the things as I will tell you in the next video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share as much as you can and comment also. The Forever products are world's best products. Forever Link products deals with the basic aloe vera gel and honey products. So maximum products are made of aloe vera and the bee honey. So these are two main. Okay. So if you are in India also, and outside India also, you can order from step-by-step procedure. There is a step-by-step procedure. Okay, I will explain you in detail. Okay, so let's proceed with the video. Okay, friends. So let me share my screen first. Okay, so here is my screen. So firstly, you have to just go to your browser and just type there allostore.in. What I'm telling you is allostore.in. Hello Store India. allostoreindia.in. So just put there Allo Store. So you just click the Allo Store. So okay. So here the Allo Store is opened already. So now there are multiple products are showing, like this is a Forever logo is there, then shop by category, face, family, fitness, and UR essentials, heart, skin. So these are the famous aloe vera gel products, and Forever Aloe Peaches, Forever Aloe Vera Gel, Forever Aloe Mango, Forever Aloe Berry Nectar. So if you are in India or anywhere in the world, you can order from this website. As I told you, you can just check on this allostoreindia.in in the corner in the browser. You have to put there Allo Store India, Allo Store. Okay. So after that, this page will appear. So in that page, if you are having a Forever ID, you can just log in. You can just check on this yellow streak on the upper side, Hello Store India, login, card, total amount. These steps are showing. So I am having the Forever ID with me. So I am just login with my Forever ID, FBO ID, Forever Business Owner. I am the Forever Business Owner. So I am entering my Forever ID. So it's already taken my password. Login is successful. So here are the best products in the world. All best products you can order from here. Okay. So this was the first step to log in the Forever. So you can see my name here, Rohan Jain Pandey, and this is my FBO ID. So here are all the products are there. There are many search categories also, like aloe drinks and all. So these are all the products of aloe vera and bee honey. Okay. So if you want to see for any specific type of category like aloe drinks, if I'm searching for aloe drinks, I will I will just go and click here like aloe vera gel tetra pack tetra package is there. Just give me a moment. There is a fluctuation in the site. Give me a moment. Okay. Now you can see me clearly. So can you just give me a moment? Okay, I'm back. So actually, for water purpose, I was not. So you are able to see the aloe vera gel products are there, aloe vera nectar, and all the products are there. I do again share the slide. There was some problem, no issues in that now. So okay, now it's clear. So you can check out here. Aloe vera gel products are there. In second combo pack is there. If you want to search for a combo, you can select combo pack here. Okay, there are various combos like joint care, 12,122, 12,026. So, there is a business booster is there. This is a fab drink, one of the best drinks in the world nowadays. So, business booster pack is there. Then, if you are about to do 2cc, there is a start your journey pack is also there. Okay, so there are many products I received also in 2cc. Okay, so this 2cc comes around Indian prices to around 30,000 rupees for combo pack. For combo pack in India, it is 30,000 rupees. Okay, so I can give you another like weight management. If you want to check for weight management products, here are some weight management products like for your Garcinia Plus. If you are having a too much weight and there is a certain course of these tablets, so you can use this as a for reducing your weight. And Forever Light Ultra also there. Then B products are also there. Like I told you, Forever Bee Honey, then Forever Tulsi Ban. Okay, just a minute. So how to order them? Okay, let's proceed with the second step now. So if I want to add some products here, so add to cart Bee Honey, I have added. So deliver to, this is the second main step. If you want to go to add to cart, there will be two options like pick up from RDO. If you want to pick up from RDO, then you have to select the city from here, like Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Nagpur. If you are in India, you have to select the city, Gurgaon, Guwahati, Hyderabad. Okay. But if you want to deliver it to some address, okay, just try to understand this. If you want to deliver to some address, if you know some customers already in your folders, there are some addresses. You can just directly go and enter pin code here. Like if I am entering here pin code 440015, so it will show estimated days of delivery 66 to 15 working days. If I submit here now, and if I go to my card, just a moment. Okay, I have submitted there now. Let again add some more products there. Like in aloe drinks, if I want some aloe berry nectar added, aloe vera gel added, aloe mango added, and personal care, weight management. In weight management, I have ordered. This is my most favorite product, Forever Light Ultra. Then caffeinated nutrition. In nutrition products, if I want to order Forever Garcinia Plus, okay. So now here in cart, you can see there are 6 items are there. Okay. So just go to the cart, and now it will show you the amount with GST and delivery charges. Okay. Uh, as earlier I told you that delivery to RDO means that first option is for you have to go to the RDO center nearest RDO means the nearest distribution office of RDO Forever Living Products International. So, but second option we are going through second option. We have entered their PIN code. After that, this process is happening. So for that, delivery charges are applied 175 rupees and GST and CST. After GST and CST, the total amount is coming up to 9,772. So yeah, after that, this process is their checkout. If you want to check out, and here are some uh, address. So here you can pay by card. Here you can pay by UPI also. Okay. In this way, you can order maximum products here. Okay. So this is very simple procedure. Firstly, I told you, just go to allostorindia.in as I shown you in the browser. Aloe Store, you can check here, allostorindia.in. Then go for products, then shop by category, then deliver it to not from RDA. You have to enter a pin code there. Okay. So now just I am canceling these all just for back going. Go to the cart again. I am going to the cart again. So there are many products you can see here. Aloe vera gel, Forever C Plus, aloe vera. Then nutrition, skincare products are also there. Nowadays, ladies are also they are very taking care of their skins and all. So there are various aloe MSM gel, aloe, Forever aloe scrub. So if you want to order these all products, you can order in India. There is my WhatsApp number is also given there. So you can just call on my WhatsApp number or WhatsApp me. So I will guide you how to order in India. Or if you are ordering from outside of India, from any other country, Australia, United States, France, or any European countries or any other countries, you can just dial +91. +91 is an Indian code. Okay. You can just text me on WhatsApp. I will tell you how to order these products. Okay. So hope you enjoyed today's video. This is very short video, but that is very effective video. So don't go by any other other sites. Only go through Forever India Aloe Store app only. Your real and effective products will be at Forever Link Products International. This is the ethical website only. Okay. So let me stop my sharing screen. Okay. Hope you like today's video. So if you want to do comments on this, please do comment on that. And if you want to check out more products, just go in my description and check out more products there. And if you want to join with me and Forever Link Products International with my team, that is TLF Creators, you can join with me. There is my joining link is also given there. With my 12-digit ID, joining link is also given there. Just go and join with me in Forever Link Products. We can do great business together. Okay. Okay. Hope to see you soon with me in my team and order as much as you can. Anywhere, anytime you can call me on the given WhatsApp chat. I will tell you this type details. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much. Take care. See you in next video.